Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Hi love! Back with me, DJ Lala. At eto na nga, live na tayo sa Love Radio Manila. At syempre, may love oras na para sa Byahe Sender of the Night. So eto na nga mga mahal ko, ang biyahe ni Chelsea. Hi DJ Lala, it's okay naman po if hindi nyo to mabasa on air. All I need is just an advice. Pero kung sakali man po na ma-feature or ito po yung biyahe mo, please itago nyo na lang po ako sa pangalang Yari. Nasabi ko na yung name mo. dapat kasi yung mga ganito nasa unahan. Ilagay nyo po. Ilagay nyo sa unahan. So eto, i-retract natin ang biyahe ni Yari. So, eto na nga. Hi DJ, I have a sister na merong kapansanan and hindi talaga namin siya pinapawork kasi ayaw namin siyang mapahamak, mapagod, or ano pa. Nung una, okay naman po siya sa lahat, naiintindihan naman po niya. Kami ng ibang kapatid ko nagtutulungan para makapagbigay din sa family namin. But DJ, as time goes by, nag-iba si ate. Madaming beses na din siyang naaabutan na she wants to end her life. Ang lagi niyang sabi kasi wala daw siyang silbi, wala daw magkakagusto sa kanya, wala siyang ambag. Sabi niya, useless daw siya, and as her younger sister, doble din yung sakit na nararamdaman ko. Ayaw niyang makinig sa amin na there were times na nilalak niya yung sarili niya sa room. Any advice po, what should I do? Do I have to talk to her? Sobrang natatakot at nasasaktan po ako. I hope manotice mo DJ. Thank you and God bless. My love, Yari, ganito, no? Kung ang tanong mo lang sa akin kung kakausapin mo ba siya, of course, the answer is yes. But I just hope you talk to her or you guys talk to her not only when she is not feeling well, not only when she is feeling down, not only when she is doing something to hurt herself. Kasi yung feeling of inability to help is something na hindi natin talaga fully alam eh. Kahit ba sabihin natin sa kanila na I know what you're going through, I understand, we don't understand, not even half of it. Half nung nararamdaman nila na it feels like for them that is it for them. Kumbaga tayo na walang kapansanan, na normal, nagagawa natin lahat. We are able to feel all the things na nafe-feel ng isang normal na kid, teenager, and adult. We do fall in love, we get our hearts broken, we go to places, we have friends, we have issues at work, we have issues at school. Those are the things na even when ayaw natin sa kanila, ayaw natin sa mga nararamdaman natin yun, those are the things that they will not feel, that they will not even experience, and we cannot possibly tell them that I do understand yung pinagdadaanan mo kasi again, we don't. Kaya pag may mga time, my love, in order to support yung mga kaibigan natin, kapatid nating may kapansanan, we just have to talk to them even when they are not feeling anything. Let's involve them in anything that we do as much as possible. Kung meron, ang nakakatuwa pa nga dyan sa sitwasyon nyo, my love, hindi ako natutuwa na ganyan yung nagiging sitwasyon nyo. It's just that, what I'm trying to say is, ang fortunate pa dyan sa sitwasyon nyo, you know kung anong pinagdadaanan ng ate mo. You know and you understand, and she can tell you exactly what she feel. And there's no better person that can understand you than a person who is also like you. My brother is deaf, pipi at bingi. He cannot tell us kapag masama yung pakiramdam niya. He cannot tell us kapag meron siyang mga gusto tapos hindi niya magawa. He cannot tell us na nalulungkot siya, na hindi siya makapagjowa, hindi siya makapasok sa school, hindi siya magkaroon ng trabaho nang wala siyang may ambag kapag nag-aambagan kami for a birthday o kaya sa restaurant. He cannot tell you kapag naiinggit siya na meron kang friends, na pag meron kang schoolmates, ganyan. He cannot do that. Wala siyang ability to do that, but yours do. I'm not saying that my situation is worse than yours. It's just that kahit papano yun sa'yo, kaya mong gawa ng paraan. Kasi you can talk to that person. Pwede mong i-explain sa kanya na, ate, sige, hindi mo man magawa yung mag-ambag or magkaroon ng trabaho or sabihin na natin quote-unquote yung feeling mo na magkaroon ng silbi dito sa bahay, but ate, you can help us come up with better decisions. Ate, you can do that for us. I-involve nyo yung ate ninyo sa decision making kasi meron naman siyang ability to tell you kung ano yung mga pwedeng gawin. May ability siya para iparamdam sa'yo yung mga nasa isip niya. May ability siya para makapag-decide kasama ninyo. Maybe if you do that, makakaramdam ng purpose yung ate mo. Makakaramdam siya ng purpose sa bahay. Makakaramdam siya ng purpose and siguro sense of responsibility sa loob ng bahay. I'm telling you this, my love, kasi I adore you for being like that. I adore you for being a kapatid na very much concerned sa kapatid niya. I adore you for being someone na willing gawin lahat, maging okay lang yung kapatid niya. Kasi those are the things that I wish I can do, but I cannot. Every time talaga na pinag-uusapan yung kapatid ko, masakit siya for me kasi ayun, kumbaga parang I know sometimes kasi nasabi na to sa amin ng kapatid ko, pero hindi siya by words, and-express niya lang na parang siya wala siyang magawa. Siya wala siyang may ambag, pero kami meron. So, ganito no, Yari, talk to her. Involve her in anything you do. If you need an advice to a problem, if you need someone to listen to you kapag meron kang problema, go to her. I'm not telling you to burden her. I'm telling you to let her in. I'm telling you to give her a purpose. I'm telling you to let her know that you need the ate. You need an ate. That she can be that to you. She can be your best friend. She can be someone that will tell you na you are not making sense of anything. She can be the one na magsasabi sa iyo kung ano yung tama sa mali. She can be the one who can tell you na ito yung dapat mong gawin, ito yung hindi mo dapat gawin. Feeling ko ito yung maganda. Give her that purpose in your household and she will never feel like detached siya sa inyo. She will never feel like a burden. Kasi alam niya, in anything you do, whenever it concerns you, the family, she is involved in it. Alam niya sa sarili niya na kasama siya sa mga nagdedesisyon, kasama siya sa may say, kasama siya sa may parte sa decision making ng bahay ninyo. My love, you can talk to that person. Talk to them. Hindi lang sa mga panahon na they are not feeling good. They are not feeling well. Sabi ko nga sa inyo lucky pa tayo kahit may pinagdadaanan tayo, kahit mahirap yung buhay, kahit may mga araw na tayo din naman mayroong personal na problema. Lucky pa rin tayo. Kasi nararanasan natin yun. Sila kasi hindi nila maranasan yun So they can only live the normal life by hearing our stories. They can only feel that if we will let them in. If we will let them experience it by making them a part of it. So again, my love, talk to your sister, let her in, tell her the things she needs to hear. And if ever na one day ready ka na at gusto mo ipanood to sa kanya, kung sino man siya, I know it's hard for you na pinagdadaanan mo yan. I know it's hard for you na nararamdaman mo yan.
but from one sibling to another. Please be strong. And please know na you may feel inadequate. You may feel na parang wala kayong nagagawa because you can't. But you guys are the strength we need. Kaming mga kapatid nyo to get through. Every single time na nawawalan kami ng lakas, sa inyo kami humuhugot. And without you guys, we don't even know kung ano yung purpose namin. That's the truth.